Hey everybody, welcome to Everyday Waffles, where I make one healthy ass waffle that feeds me all day. It's packed in, full of nutrition, and I eat that sucker, break it up into 4 pieces, and there we go. Little simple juice and a little protein powder. But right now we are making a sweeter waffle. Now it's still packed with a lot of proteins, and nutrients in it, but this is gonna be for my dessert. So let's get going. We got Dutch over here with us still.
Hey.
Dutch wants dessert. No chocolate waffle tonight. I do not feel like
Oh, darn it. Those are the best.
good. I have been in.
They are to die for.
Mr. Kara been busy all damn day. So anyway, we're gonna do a sweet pineapple citrus waffle with a triple berry compote. Plus, I put in some strawberry into that berry. There's gonna be like a bright fruity waffle, and I roasted some pineapple, and wow, it's gonna be really effing delicious. Let's get her dry in, and then we'll talk about our wets real fast, okay? Because we got to get Bob going. All right, so we're going to be using 2 eggs, 2 of our egg replacers. Hey, Bob, let's get going. And we'll go ahead and plug in that waffle iron because this is going to go pretty fast. Okay. So we just finished up dinner with our wonderful power waffle.
And it was delicious.
Damn, that shit was good. That was really good. Okay, so we did 2 of the Bob egg replacers. So that means that we are going to do 4 of the, for 2 tablespoons, we're going to do 4 tablespoons. It's 2 to 1. Using our handy dandy chopsticks. This is going to be nice in the morning because I'm going to have 1 piece of this for breakfast in the morning. You're going to have to be the one to try a bite because I am full. I'll try mine in the morning.
Okay.
I am full. Okay, let's set those off to the side. Now we got our lovely Bob's egg run in. Okay, let's get everything else. So I'm going to put in from our wonderful crockery 1 cup flour. And I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of a fresh oat flour that I made. 1 and 2. Oat flour is so nice. And you can also make your own oat milk, which is really actually not that hard to make. I should do more of it. All right. Now I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of our hemp. This is loaded up with our protein, our omegas. And we're going to be doing 2 of our chia seeds. Once again, this is our omega-3s and our fiber. Okay. Wow. Those to close up. It's the end of the day. I'm tired. It's been a very started off as very light, easy day, and then all of a sudden everything went whoop 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 and went to super drive. Cocktail. So sweet. Okay, now I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of our flaxseed and 1 tablespoon of our wonderful nutritional yeast. Get that nice umami flavor. Okay. Whoop. Now I got room to move this over here. Oh, that was almost bad, Dutch. Okay, gonna put in a little bit of salt. Teaspoon of salt. A nice little heaping teaspoon of baking powder. Those off to the side. Okay. Oops, wrong one. I'll need this in a second anyway. I just love having a new one.
That's a much bigger one.
We maximized. Thank you, Max. The love of community.
Yep.
That is a beautiful, beautiful thing. Okay, so now I got all my dry ingredients all nice and chia'd up. Doesn't this look like it's like a lemon poppy
Let me
seed?
take a look.
Like
I
you're
like the
making
way
like a
that
lemon
looks.
poppy seed cake. He does not
Oh, yeah.
like lemon, by the way.
I do like poppy seeds, though.
Would you go see Dorothy too many times?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So now we're going to be doing our wet. So what I did was I roasted up pineapple. So this is one left over. So roasted up pineapple. So what we got going on is we have a half a cup of roasted pineapple. And then we've got a quarter cup of kind of orange. And then we have a quarter cup of tangerine. Doesn't that just sound delicious?
Mm.
Okay, then we're going to put in 1 cup milk. Woohoo! I'm excited about this. And then 2 tablespoons of honey. Oh, honey.
Jeremy's honey.
Jeremy's honey. Thank you, Jeremy, for those lovely bees. I got to see Jeremy yesterday and tell him thank you, thank you, thank you. I said, keep giving Dutch honey because I'll keep stealing. I'm making good things for Dutch.
Brian does all the cooking, so the honey needs to be here, not in my kitchen.
No, I don't do all the cooking, not at all. I love to cook. Nowadays, I do. It's just soon going to get to that point, I hope, where I just get to say, I just love to cook, full stop. Okay.
That day will come.
It will. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put in our wet into our dry here. And it's nice having an extra bowl, too. Having a big, gigantic honker of a bowl. Okay. Now I'm going to let this sit here and soak up for just a little bit. And one thing I was going to put in was a tablespoon of butter. And luckily I have it right here, which I forgot about earlier. Dutch, remind me to put on the recipe. Oh, don't remind me shit, it's right here.
Yep.
All right.
What are you adding?
1 tablespoon butter.
All the butter. Okay.
1 tablespoon butter. Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. I should not ever sing again, right? Okay, I'm just gonna let that sit, soak for a second. Because we got Bob. We want Bob to be really good and gooey. Get gooey, Bob. So then we did a triple berry compote. So super simple. Triple berries frozen and then added in strawberries. And so what I did was I just put in the berries into the sauce, into the saucepan, 1 cup, and then I put in about 3/4 cup strawberries, and then 2 tablespoons of honey, and that's it. I let the water from the berries be the water in here, and then I just reduce that down. So it's got natural sugars, which is really awesome. Now I get to pinky test. That is so good. Okay, green light, and Bob's looking good. Oh, thank you, Bob.
Were the 3 berries, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries?
Yep. Blackberries, blueberries, raspberries. And then we went ahead and added in strawberries. Fold in my eggs. Okay, guys. Well, it's sitting there for a second. One more. Sweet delish. I'm giving this just another second to sit and come all together. Have a little party. Make waffle babies. Okay. Bad jokes again. Put butter on. At least I didn't forget that I had butter in here already. Fucking hilarious. Okay, let's get this waffle going. This is our waffle mix right here. This is gonna be just so delicious. I'm making little smaller waffles on this one. Flip it on over.
How many waffles does this recipe make?
So this would make our standard 2 power waffles.
2?
So this comes out to like 2, 2 1/4, just depending upon how much stuff I throw in.
Yeah, when you said smaller, I didn't know whether you're going for
so I'm actually putting a smaller
bigger
amount
number
into the waffle iron itself instead of a full amount.
Cool.
Then when the days I go super crazy and it's goes so. So I do it again. So reducing this down, just such a delicious, simple sauce. You can also, if you want to thicken it up, add a little bit of cornstarch. So you do, I would do for this sauce. I really want to make it nice and thick. I would do a tablespoon of cornstarch, then put that into. Actually, no, I do 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Put it into a tablespoon of cold water. Mix that up, and then add that in. You want to do cold, otherwise it turns into one giant chunky monkey, which is no fun. Yeah. I gotta do the gravy. I need to do gravy again. I was just thinking about,
gravy,
the clumps,
yes.
Oh, man, because I do not like clumps in gravy. I need to do that vegan
Hey, your
gravy.
earliest waffles had gravy.
Yeah, well, the requests are coming in again for the vegan country gravy again.
Ah, cool.
Because that stuff just tastes exactly like regular country gravy. You can't even tell it's vegan. Really damn awesome. Because you have all those spices and flavors that come off the sausage or the bacon, that you're putting into that fat for your grease. But yeah, it's putting in the vegetable stock and the spices that I put in there really do compensate. So it's pretty awesome. Cool. You like my fancy dancy Tractor Supply with my lace apron that my brother made me? You never got to meet him, did you?
No. Yeah. No, didn't meet Ollie.
Yeah. He was a wonderful guy. Wonderful guy. No longer here with us. That smells so good. Since, work's pretty much already done, how about we visit while I do some dishes real fast? So, Dutch, what do you got planned this week?
Let's see. Went to a potluck last night.
Yeah.
And there was about maybe 40 or 50 people there. And everyone brought specialty dishes, which was awesome.
Nice.
And this afternoon, I went to the farmer's market and had my usual dumplings.
Were you over at the Capitol Hill Farmers Market?
Do what?
The Capitol Hill Farmers Market?
Yes, Capitol Hill Farmers Market.
Awesome.
This is only a hop, skip, and a jump from where I live.
A hop, skip, and a jump out of just like 2 steps.
Yeah, basically.
Basically. I just absolutely love having my over the sink dish strainer. Awesome. Gives me so much more room in my kitchen. So much more. So you want to tell them all about the farmer's market?
Do what?
You want to tell everybody about the farmer's market there?
The farmer's market has many different booths bringing in fresh vegetables, fresh fruit. They have several different food areas. I especially like the Vietnamese dumpling booth. They have
that's a
one for Mexican.
The Vietnamese dumpling booth, they treat him very well. They're very sweet.
Oh, I've been
awesome
a customer
people.
for forever. And they also have Ethiopian, a booth of Ethiopian food, which is very good. They have all kinds of desserts. So they have a wide variety of things that you can get for your pantry for the week.
Nice. Okay. Well, hey, dishes are pretty much done, and whoop, here we go. Waffles ready. You ready for dessert, my friend?
Oh yeah. Always ready for dessert.
Always ready for dessert.
Life is short. Eat dessert first.
Wait.
Especially if there's chocolate in it.
You and chocolate, my God.
I'm a chocoholic.
Very
So
much
what can
a
I say?
chocoholic.
Your chocolate waffles are the best.
Yeah, well. They also take all day to make.
Yeah, they do.
Okay. Here's our other waffle. It's in. Rinse these hands off real quick. Let me show you what we got before I cover it up. This looks like a nice fluffy little waffle, but it is packed full of fruit. Like me. Very fruity. Let's make it even more fruity. Get our berry compote. Put that over the top. It's gonna be so delicious, Dutch.
You know, one thing I like about the Sunday market is that we're supporting the farming community because the farmers bring in their produce from the other side of the Cascades, and so we're keeping them going as
Yeah,
well.
which is what we really need to do. All right.
Oh my God, that looks good.
There you go.
Thank you.
Give us a try.
Oh, definitely.
I'm hoping all the flavors of the fruit really come out. That was the fun part about that, roasting up that pineapple.
Mm-hmm. Delicious. Oh my God, this is awesome.
All right, look, I just want a little
Take a
bit,
bite.
little bitty one, little bitty. My throat's already full.
Hey, you don't want to get too much.
No, I got a very full throat. That's what I'm worried about. Oh my God.
Isn't it awesome?
Guys, dessert waffle, breakfast dessert.
Oh yeah.
Hearty, really good for you. I'll talk to you later. Right now.